Buenos días, palomillas. A que ni saben a dónde voy. No voy, me llevan a pegar un surfeadín. Y voy con nada más y nada menos con la doctora Elizabeth Osorio. Me vengo asesorando para la próxima línea de restaurantes SURFEAR que voy a abrir en el mundo. Suscríbanse. Ahorita nos vemos en la playa porque ya se sabe el camino de memoria. ¡Ay! Momento, señores. Oh my God. Pues a pegar un surfeadinho. Está lloviendo, palomilla. It's raining. Tarde pero sin sueño. Que empiece la música, palomilla.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions. They blocking your vision, but no, you can't listen. That shit is all fiction, cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fucking fight back. You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more, speak out.
Es pura perfección, palomilla. Woo!
And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fucking fight back. aimless in a sea of the dying and shameless. A sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory, yeah. Don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring, just want a life that is worth every day exploring,
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 yeah.
This is a statement to appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement, yeah. There's no replacement for persistence, it's a patience, yeah. In this life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring. I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be.
Es todo, Colombia. Acabó las 6. Un ratito nomás. No hay vida social que cumplir. Ahorita nos vemos. Bye. Colombia, vamos a terminar este video aquí. Una buena surfeadita con la palomilla, porque estamos tomándonos unos drinks y podemos acabar mal.
No es
Así
cierto.
que-
Estoy comiendo yo con nada. Porque yo soy el chofer designado.
Ah, sí, resignado. Bueno, nos vemos a la próxima. Ya saben, suscríbanse, compren las merch, compartan, comenten y hagan lo que se les dé la gana. No coman tierra y nos vemos a la próxima. Hasta la vista. Bye.